going on, boss man? Hey man, what's good YouTube, man? That shit, bro. I'm gonna get gas right now. Backyard facing on YouTube video. Check it out. Goddamn. But what Trey at? Hey, hold on, Chad. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's right. All right, so look. We finna go to this waffle and coffee. Waffle and coffee. I think that's what it's called. Car meet. And then got a derby to go to at 3 o'clock. I think it's currently like 10 something. I forgot. I think it's like 10. So we're gonna swing over here or whatever. Go to the meet and shit like that. And then we're gonna go to the derby. And then I think there's another meet tonight, but I ain't gonna lie, Chat. We're just doing shit today. We everywhere with the camera outside like a motherfucker. You feel me? Anyway, y'all, one, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more vids. Roll the 400. Share this video to your grandma, your grandpa, your auntie, your cousin, nigga. Share this video to everybody, nigga. Roll the 400. Holy fuck. Damn. Damn. Fucking M340 chat. Boy, that shit crazy. M340. Hey, we're coming soon. I think this is nigga Trey right here too. My cousin. Damn. This nigga Trey, man. Bro, y'all remember the fucking Grand Prix, bro? This nigga got a 360 camera, cuz. Damn. Oh my cousin. Damn. Oh my cousin. What you want, Trey? Good, bro. Shit, bro. Exquisite out here. Exquisite, nigga.
Follow it. Fuck all that.
Fuck him. That fucking better. We'll be getting posted today. Alright, y'all. Oh shit, we got Trey in this bitch, man. How you feeling?
See where we at?
See what? Oh shit. Fuck damn. My mama. Hey, Lamborghini and shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit hard, bro. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with this car, so I ain't gonna lie to it. I might even wanna sit here bad, bro. That shit fucking hard, bro. Damn, bro. Terrible, motherfucker. That shit hard, bro.
You see inside that bed?
You see inside that bed?
Yeah, you bro just opened the door too.
My cousin, bro, that shit is fucking hard. I wonder what motor he running. Oh, it's a start. Oh, it's a 350. Bro, everybody be running 350s, bro. I think I was going 350 sought the fucking Caprice, bro. That shit is hard, man.
Shit is hard.
All original. They say whips and waffles. Nigga, I want me some waffles.
I'm about to just way the fuck down.
Damn.
Catch you from the rear.
Every time. They gon' copyright the fuck out of me, but that's alright. It's alright. You know that nigga pushes some crazy shit. His head like Fox money type. Yeah, put up early and said to this. Alright, bitch, it's awesome. I see one. Damn, bruh. That shit hard. Yeah. What else I got for you? At the airport? I know who Mustang that is. It's a white Mustang right there. I hear that white Pro Charger. I knew it. I know exactly who Mustang that is. Yeah, I know who Mustang that is. He's been on this channel a couple times. Yo! Inside? Oh shit, don't mind if I do. Shit. Feel me? Let me see. Back in the. Hi, welcome. What's going on? Ooh. 50 years old? Bro, this is crazy, man. There's so much space in here. Like, 50 years old, man. That shit hard. Thank y'all. Oh yeah, that's somebody's crib. Damn. Hello. stuck. Call that motherfucker Batman, the Batmobile. That says only. I heard nitrous. I'll be over there in a second. I'm taking this all day. It's hard to be in the GT, man. Ain't no wrong with it, man. Shit's still pressing. Damn. I know you pushing some shit. Damn. You ain't gotta lie. Viper. Y'all know how many of these cars I got in GTA? This shit crazy. What am I hearing? Oh shit. No charge Q. Y'all keep it. Hey, y'all better like her. What the hell? I just got over here. Alright, hold on. We'll be back. We'll be right back.
Wait, where?
Hold on, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all face. Some slight. Hold on. We'll do it. comment, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this, man. Hotter than a bitch. Oh my god, bro. This dude a couple times. Fucking do it.
Fuck the bikes?
What?
Fuck the bikes?
No, hell no, twin. I ain't fuck the bike shit, not right now. Alright. This is all the JDL. This is all the JDLs. All my JDLs. Oh, this is a sexy ass view. Right G37.
I know the coach charges cheaper though.
Oh shit. That nigga bustin'. Oh. Man, nigga, he's bro. Oh shit.
And they got the halos. Oh my god.
Oh. That shit's. Damn. Baby Roger, my cousin. 350 Z? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. For sure. Oh shit. I wonder if that car side. Oh, it's for sale?
37.
I don't know about 37 twin, but you got it. For sure. Yeah. Oh, 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 damn, damn, damn. Oh shit. Damn, man, that shit hard. Gotta let a car come in, man. At some point. Where?
I wonder why that.
The LS what? I know you want. Oh. Oh, he talking about something. Shit smell like no cats. Yeah. You niggas go to jail. Yes. Damn, man. Some fucking good clips. R6. Hey, the little ooda ooda, you feel me? Little ooda ooda. I don't know too much about that bike shit, I ain't gonna lie. What's going on? I don't know too much about that bike shit, I ain't gonna lie. But I'll record it though. I'll record it for y'all though. You know what I'm saying? She won't sexy. They don't have my cutting that either. They talking about, she want blue cock. I'll get you. Fuck. Sky Zone, nigga? I've already been over here. Damn. Bro, we been here for a minute, but fuck. So much just for the Duramax? No? No? Damn. Alright, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, look. What better way to end out the bed? Wait, hold on. Oh, shit. But look. You got anything to say?
I think he's trying to catcall us.
What you mean? Hey, you got anything to say for the video for the cut this motherfucker?
It was W me. I feel like it could have been better. Should have been more people. Last time we was out, there was a lot more niggas, but this time, I don't know, they wasn't feeling it, I guess.
Yo, yeah, twin.
Make sure my shit don't fly off.
But look, it's your boy, only one kick. Wait, hold on. Why am I cutting the video? We should have a derby to go to. I lied.
We do.
We do got a derby to go to. What am I talking about? Hey, hold on, twins. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a little second. Hold on. All right, y'all. Ready the goddamn bird with it.
How did we end up here today? How did we were just in South St. Paul.
Hell yeah.
We so far north now.
So important to the goddamn fair. This motherfucker Ryan really got me at the fair. Nigga.
Hey, we take some bets? Who we betting on?
Okay, I'm betting on the black
I don't-
right there.
I low-key do want the truck.
I'm betting on him right here.
I want him too, but that's only because he big as hell. If it's not him, number 88 with me.
Hey, on my cousin. Hey, they finna fuck some shit up. It's my first time hearing shit, but like, hey, shit finna get wicked. My mama.
Universal Trucking Equipment of Roseville
Hey,
is your
I'm praying he wins.
I'm
He too big.
Truck and construction equipment services, sales, and
It's not a
trailer.
him or 88. Look how lean 88 look. It look like he gonna cut
88
straight through it.
88 too little.
Or on the
Nah,
road.
look at the hood. They're gonna cut straight through.
I don't see Bailey. Where's Bailey at?
The cars we have out there now are for best paint. So, first up, here's how we're gonna do this. We're gonna announce each driver and car, their number, and we need a round of applause from the crowd that you guys are gonna choose the winner of best paint. First one up, Al Thompson, number 95.
Bruh, that shit crazy, bruh. Don't lie. Man, fuck all that. What the fuck Bailey at? Oh my cousin.
Last but not least,
Trucks playing too.
Taylor Babcock, number 69.
I don't know Taylor. Oh, well. Look at 73 right there. I wonder where he at.
Your winner, best paint, 444, Alec DeWitt.
Somebody locked him. Is that Bailey right there? Who?
After that,
Damn, bruh. Hold on, Ryan. I think you started a new addiction, cuz I'm in this bitch. This shit sound decent. I ain't gonna lie.
Last four limited well full-size car, and we will finish up with your limited well full-size truck. So all mega stock, mini, and mid-size cars, please get to the track. All right, a few other sponsors we want to mention. My name is Matt Vancook with Mud Rhythm, sponsoring here tonight. Please.
Hey, Grand Prix! Smack him!
Isn't that Ryan right there? I think that is that motherfucker. Wait, nah. I don't know. I know he has some crazy ass bush there. Boys rolling in, boy.
Bro's on spares. Is he on a spare?
Feel like that.
His tire's already flat.
All right, now those are some of the cars here in our mega stock mid-size. This is one out on the track. He is out there for fast lane. 95, Al Thompson. 19X Nick Strasser, sorry, goes 7 in. Canada List, number 13. Austin Runnick, number 24. Corey Strasser, number 56C. I think the whole Strasser family's out here tonight.
There he is.
Brian Bailey, number 317, and
I knew that was
Lucas
his
Moss, number 2024.
Oh,
So as I said earlier, 17 cars total. Getting them all staged and ready to go.
oh shit, man. Them boys ready, man. Oh, shit.
All right, looks like we are all ready to go. We are going to count it down. Why don't you help with me? All right, everybody, we're going to count it down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, looks like 27 gets the watermelon. That was pretty close. We got 18X getting the water right onto the chute, but hey, he's taking bumps there. That's the Raptor.
Damn.
Looks like we only have a couple cars down at this point. Not too bad. and Runnick still running. I believe that's 27X. So both Runnicks are still running, I believe. 24, yes they are. 11. Tyler Austin out there still running. 111's out, I believe. 13 still moving a little bit. We're at 5 or 6, still holding strong. Old 27 cars still running. Both Runnicks are running. Number 27, 24. 317, Ryan Bailey still out there getting around, putting on a hit on a couple of cars.
There you go, Bailey.
They want to put that hit, but they don't want to get hung up. Looks like Matt Gilsdorf finally had to break a stick. I see 5 still running right now. We have 13. Anna Bliss is still out there running. Ryan Bailey, 317. Got a few hung up here. Right now you have Runnick and Bailey going at it. Might be your only 2 left. Oh, it looks like there's some movement out of, little bit of movement out of Tyler Austin, but not much. 13 still trying to move. Both running well. 27 and 317 putting on a pretty good show. 27X that is. Trying to push him up on the berm. Oh, we have the other running back moving again.
There you go.
So I'm looking at 27, 24, and 317 still in the game. 317 able to break through. We are down to 227 Runnick and 317 Ryan Bailey. Cat and mouse going on out there. 24 is your 3rd place finisher. We are fighting for the win here between Bailey and Runnick. Both cars still moving. 317 using some track to get, well, that might backfire. Oh! All right, we're gonna pull them apart. They're still running, so we're gonna pull them apart and let them go at it here. You guys spin and see if we got 2 running cars. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are green. Ryan Bailey getting some movement there. Trying to get away. Might need to bump start him, Ryan. Trying to finish him off. There it is, your second place. Give it up to your second place runner. Putting on a good show. Calvin running. Your winner in your mega stock mid-size car class is Ryan Bailey, 317.
There you go. Look at that boy.
Better than the Walmart parking lot. All right, we need the mega stock.
Air compressor.
Yeah, I'm in the pits. Oh shit. Damn, this is our first place winner. Oh shit. That's how I do it. Just know I do it. I'm back here in the pits with it, nigga. Fuck, what the hell? Damn, that's some exquisite shit, my boy. That shit crazy. Damn. That shit crazy. Oh shit.
Hey, we want to see the skinny pedal. Hand your back end.
Yeah, use your back end. Where is the back end's that way. Look behind you, you might find it. Hey,
radiator and the tires. Henley needs a favor from a competitor. We have 3 in 99, Derek Dillison and David Francisco. Oh, there's a good 3-way hit. Jellison getting in the mix there. The Jellison teammates doing a good job of splitting this thing in half. Now they're doing the sandwich. We got an Oreo cookie thing happening here. Uh-oh. So We have Derek Jellison, moving pretty good. David Francisco, both Jellisons moving good now. Did some damage there. Looks like they're trying to find a parking spot for Francisco. Might come down to a family feud here. Both Jellisons running. Looks like we are down to 2. Red flag, red flag, red flag. We're gonna see what we have. Big round of applause for your Anoka Champlin Fire Department. They're on it. Trying to make sure they got everything.
Hang on, bro.
Oh, go ahead, cuz. Go ahead.
Here you go.
My cousin, end the day like this, cuz.
It's a beautiful way to end the day. Fishing is wonderful.
Oh, I see. So you said
It's fishing when you actually catch those. Yeah, it's wonderful when you actually catch
no nothing.
No,
I
you
got
good, you good. You just learning.
them. Is that a real fish?
Okay.
Is that liquid?
You said
I don't know, I can't see. It looks real.
bring that bitch back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now twist it.
listen here.
Spin it. There you go. And then you have to hit the bell. No, don't bring it in. That's fast. You want to do it really slow.
Damn.
It's like golf. Real patient.
Be patient with it, cuz. Order for 100, nigga. Know that.
It's a beautiful day out.
Hell yeah, twin.
We had an eventful day.
Leave. You got here, bitch.
When did I just get here?
No, I'm talking about like the car meter shit.
Oh.
Oh wait, you was there.
Like, what the fuck?
I put the name tag there. Where that bitch at? Ah. Hell yeah. What you guys say, Naya?
So, like, where's the beer at?
Where's the fish? There's a mosquito.
Tell me the
I
date.
was gonna get it, but you got it.
Abubakar, show it to me.
Open what?
The bait. I can catch it. Trust I'm catching it.
Hey man, but look. Look. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vids. And I'm checking out another vid. I'm gone.